Whether you are a skillful digital artist or a curious beginner, this video is your ticket to unlocking a whole new realm of creativity. Get ready to witness the incredible potential of AI as we transform your name into a masterpiece. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Open up your browser and type in bing.com. Here you will be taken to this page and click on Images. Click on Create to get into the interface of Bing AI. On the top, you can see a prompt box where users provide a text prompt or description specifying the features of the image they want to generate. So you can use the prompt link in the description box by making some certain changes to it, or you can create your own prompt. For now, I have already copied the prompt, so I'm simply going to paste it. And finally, click on Create to generate the images. We are in the process of generating image, which may take a little while. Stay tuned until the AI finishes crafting the perfect image for you. And here you go. In the first trial, 4 images are generated. Click on Image to preview. I think the images are quite beautiful and also precise with the prompt. Now let us try another one by changing the name and color. So let's go back to the prompt box and change the name and color. Once again, click on Create to generate the images. Again, generating image may take some time, so stay tuned. And here you go, again 4 images are generated. Click on Image to preview. Results are pretty good again. Now if you want, you have the option to share, save, download, and customize your image the way you want. So that was all about how to create 20 images using your name in Bing AI. If you are also interested in this sort of content, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Help Guide. Thank you for watching.